Hey everybody, I hope everyone's safe at home. Stay at home, stay at home, stay at home. Unprecedented times these are. So where do we start? Right, let's get to the important things first, I think. The reason I'm sat like this is because I want you to see those products. But let's have a big thumbs up for everybody that works in the National Health Service, Police Force, Fire Brigade, care homes. They're doing an amazing job. So as long as we all stay at home, everything will be all right. Okay, so as you can see, I've been bold. I've been bold for a couple of days actually, been wearing the beanie. But here we go, right. This is my hair system ready to attach. It's taped up. Now tape is definitely in these situations the best thing to use. And while I do this, I'll explain why. Okay, but the purpose of this video is to let all the clients know at Hair For All that I am here for you on WhatsApp, on Skype video calls to help with your home help, self-maintenance. You know, it's a difficult time, but it's one we can get through together. Anyway, right, so make it more amusing, this video, while I chat away, I'm going to make an attachment. Tape attachment is really easy. I take my glasses off for this, and I do this, do my 3 fingers. As you know, I try and wear my hair system a little bit too low for my age, and concentrate time. Place it down here, as you can see. Then I roll the hair system back. Right. I already know this is going to be good. Right, the reason I use tapes, and I have been doing for a while, I'm going to sit like this to make it a bit more amusing, is they are so easy to attach, and during this time this is what I recommend to all the clients. Yeah, so this is what I'll be teaching you on WhatsApp. I mean, most of you have had good teaching at HQ, but those that are a little bit worried, you can book into the diary with me. Okay, so I'm offering this service until further notice, so make the most of it. Right, let's continue. There we go. Hey. Right, so let's put a towel over my head. This always helps, as everyone knows. Brush it forward, this way, that way, this way. Okay, right. Okay, you can see the products here. Rapid release. Rapid release, if you can get it, is excellent for the cleanup. C22, again for the cleanup. Also, this can be used on your head if you're careful to clean the residue. Lace release, scalp protector, no shine tape for the perimeter, super stick, same colour, easy green is an excellent tape, and the blue lace tape. Right, here we go. Quite like that style. Yeah, so basically what I've been doing, I've probably done about 20 Skypes so far regarding helping clients with the attachment, and I'm going to go back to tape again. It makes sense to do tape during this period because it's so easy to apply and also take off. And the good thing about the tape is you can wet your hair straight away like I'm doing. You can see here that I'm really saturating it, where with the adhesives you don't. Now if I go back to, I've had my hair system off over the weekend, and I still got to walk around with a cap on because I can't cope with the beast as it is, right? So I've had a break. Cleaned both my hair systems, got them ready, and this is what I do. Once it's on, again, the tape, you're able to do this. And this is all doable with me helping you on Skype or WhatsApp. Right, so I'm going to leave a little bit of leave-in conditioner. That's doable, isn't it? Okay, so call HQ 01454 321 335. Leave a message. Good time for me to Skype with you, and I'll help you, and we'll get through this together. Okay, so what's the message? Stay at home.